If you're over 45 and feel sleepy, heavy, or drained after meals, this is not a normal aging, and it's not in your head. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it naturally. In this video, you'll learn why energy crashes after eating become common after 45, the 3 biggest mistakes most people make without realizing it, and one simple habit you can start today that many of my patients swear by. Stay with me. This will change how your afternoons feel. Here's what most people don't realize. After age 45, your body handles food differently than it did at 25. Digestion slows down. Blood flow shifts more aggressively toward your stomach, and your cells don't absorb energy as efficiently. So instead of feeling fueled after meals, your brain feels underpowered and you feel sleepy. This is especially noticeable after lunch or dinner. Now here's the important part. This fatigue is not permanent. In fact, small changes can bring back energy within days, sometimes faster. Let's start with the first mistake almost everyone over 45 makes. Mistake number 1 is how you structure your meals. Large, heavy meals spike blood sugar quickly, and the crash afterward is what steals your energy. Instead, starting meals with protein, fiber, or vegetables slows this process down. This single change often reduces post-meal fatigue by 30–40% in my patients. This alone makes a big difference. If this is already making sense to you, take a moment to subscribe and hit a bell notification. I produce 3 to 4 evidence-based health guidance videos each week. The second reason people feel exhausted after eating is what they do immediately after meals. Many people sit down, lie back, or scroll on their phone. That feels relaxing, but physiologically, it worsens fatigue. A gentle 5 to 10 minute walk after meals improves blood flow, stabilizes blood sugar, and tells your body to use food for energy instead of storing it. This isn't exercise. This is movement with a purpose. Even people in their 60s and 70s see results within a week. And here's something important. Walking too fast actually backfires. Nose breathing. No phone. Think. Calm digestion, not calorie burning. Most people completely ignore this. The third cause of post-meal fatigue is dehydration combined with shallow breathing. As we age, thirst signals weaken. So even mild dehydration can reduce circulation to the brain. Add shallow breathing on top of that, and fatigue becomes almost guaranteed. Here's what works. Drink a small glass of water 15 to 20 minutes after eating, not during the meal. Then take 5 slow breaths. In through the nose for 4 seconds, out through the mouth for 6. This activates the calming nerve that improves digestion and energy. This matters more than people think. Now listen carefully, because this next part is the hidden reason many people do everything right and still feel exhausted. Most doctors don't explain this clearly. Chronic post-meal fatigue is often a signal, not a failure. It can mean your body has become less flexible with energy use. In simple terms, your cells are slower to switch between fuel sources. This doesn't mean disease. It means your body needs consistency, not intensity. When meals, movement, hydration, and sleep happen at random times, your energy system becomes confused. But when timing becomes predictable, energy stabilizes. So let's simplify everything. If you feel tired after eating after age 45, remember just 3 things. First, structure meals gently. Protein and fiber first. Second, move lightly for 5 to 10 minutes. Third, hydrate after meals and slow your breathing. When these 3 work together, energy improves it without medication. Choose just one of these today. Don't try to fix everything at once. If you felt understood in this video, subscribe to this channel. I share practical, calm health guidance for real life. And if you'd like, tell me in the comments, which afternoon symptom bothers you the most?